Hey TCL crew, and welcome to all my newbies. Today we will be making a full hibachi meal, so if you would like to know how, please stay tuned. Alright, so as we can see, these are some of the ingredients that we will need for this meal. I will list them all in the description box. We need our white rice that was prepared yesterday and dried out in the refrigerator. These are the meats that we will be making today. We have shrimp, steak, and we have some chicken. These are the pots that we will be using today, which is a Chinese wok, a flat griddle, and another griddle, but you can use whatever pots you have in the kitchen. Alright, so we have the meat chopped up, and you can cut the meat into whatever size pieces that you would like. Alright, here we have our onion, we have our garlic, we have zucchini, and we have our scallion. And just like the meat, you can cut this into whatever size pieces you would like. Alright, so for our homemade sauce today, we are using soy sauce, rice vinegar, teriyaki stir fry, sriracha garlic sauce, sesame oil, and oyster sauce. Please adjust the sauce to your taste. One key thing to remember, do not use a lot of rice vinegar because it will overpower the sauce. And for our seasoning blend, we are using paprika, crushed red peppers, onion powder, black pepper, garlic powder, and ginger. And I am just checking to see if my pot is hot enough to start putting my oil and my foods on. And you want to cook the chicken first because chicken takes the longest, especially when you're cooking with me. You know I like my stuff well done. And after, you can start adding the steak, and the shrimp will be last. After you add the onion and garlic, make sure you are prepared to add everything else fairly quickly because the garlic does burn quickly. You can add any type of vegetables that you like. Normally people add carrots and peas, but I added mixed vegetables. Okay, so I like all my food to be done at the same time. So we will be using our multitasking skills during this recipe, okay? If you have any questions about this hibachi meal, let me know. So we have our hibachi chicken, our hibachi steak, our hibachi shrimp. We also have our hibachi fried rice. Let me know if you have any questions about the meal in the comments below, and I will be happy to answer. Keep on watching for the rest of this meal, and I hope you hit that subscription button and that notification bell so you can be notified for my upcoming videos. This is how your vegetables should look with the grilled look. Once again, disclaimer, on this page you will see well done food. I like my food well done. You can cook your meat for however long you want to cook your meat, but for me, it gotta be well done. Pretty much everything is done, so I'm just leaving everything on that side to warm. The last thing we will make are the noodles. So, important update on the noodles that I have pictured in the beginning of the video. My hubby didn't like the noodles. He said it tasted like plastic. I don't know how I felt about the noodles, but if you know any type of noodles that I could use in replacement, please comment down below with the information. So y'all, your girl did a damn good job for it being my first time making hibachi. This food came out so good. I'm so proud of myself. Like, stay tuned, keep watching so you can hear my family rate my meal.
On a scale of 1 to 10, compared to a hibachi restaurant, what do you rate my hibachi food?
9.
Okay. Claude, on a scale of 1 to 10, compared to a hibachi restaurant, what do you rate my food?
At 20 out of 10.
Thank you.
20
Kaden, what number? Choose a number.
Just a 10. That don't make
10?
no sense.
10, good job. Junior, on a scale of 1 to 10, compared to a hibachi restaurant, what do you rate my food? My hibachi food.
No comment.
For it being my first time cooking hibachi food.
Steak,
I didn't act to each
give
individual
you-
thing.
I give you 9. Shrimp, I give you 6. Could have been better. Rice, I give you 10. Broccoli and the vegetable for it, I give you 10. Chicken, I give you 8. Romaine, I ain't gonna blame that one on you. But you cooked it, I give you 0. Straight up opinion. I'm not even gonna
Overall,
eat
he
it.
gave you one overall number for the whole food.
Calculation,
Yeah, it tastes bad.
I give you a 9.34.
I have a good taste.